barge in. To enter a place, or interrupt suddenly and rudely, without permission. He barged in, without knocking on the door. Don't barge in when I am on the phone. Bust up. To break up with someone, or to end a romantic relationship. Sarah and Tom busted up after dating for 2 years. They busted up, but still talk sometimes. Bust up. To break, smash, or seriously damage something. I busted up my sunglasses by sitting on them. I accidentally busted up my favorite coffee mug. Pipe down. To tell someone to be quiet or reduce noise, often in an annoyed or impatient way. Can you guys pipe down? The baby is sleeping. Pipe down, I am on an important call. Will you guys pipe down? I am trying to study. Boot out. To force someone to leave a place, organization, or group. The landlord booted him out for not paying rent. The teacher booted him out of the classroom. The coach booted him out of the team. Conk out. To fall asleep suddenly, due to extreme tiredness. I was so tired, I conked out on the couch. I conked out in the middle of that boring movie. Conk out. To stop working suddenly, especially machines or vehicles. My car conked out in the middle of nowhere. The bike conked out just after we left home. Fess up. To admit something honestly, especially something wrong or secret that you were trying to hide. Come on, just fess up and tell the truth. He finally fessed up about breaking the window. Fess up. Did you watch the show without me? Bump off. To kill someone. Nobody knows who bumped off the journalist. The witness was bumped off before the trial. Tip off. To give someone secret or useful information, especially a warning about something that is going to happen. Someone tipped off the police about the robbery. Who tipped off the reporters about the scandal? Dig in. To start eating food enthusiastically or eagerly. Don't wait for me, everyone just dig in. Everything smells so good, I cannot wait to dig in. Go through. To experience something difficult or unpleasant. He is going through a very tough phase. They are going through financial problems right now. She went through a painful breakup last year. Choke up. To become very emotional and unable to speak clearly, often because of sadness, nervousness, or strong feelings. I choked up during my farewell speech yesterday. He choked up while talking about his father. Pass out. To faint or lose consciousness suddenly. He passed out during the morning assembly today. He passed out after drinking too much alcohol. Act up. To behave badly or misbehave, especially a child. My little brother always acts up in the grocery store. Don't act up in front of your grandparents. Act up. To stop working properly or malfunction, usually referring to a machine or device. The AC is acting up. It's not cooling the room. My Wi-Fi is acting up again. I can't join the call.